Dasein Women Designer Padlock Tassel Satchel Handbags Pebble Vegan Leather Purses Work Bag with Wallet. About this bag, we suggest comparing it to a bag you already own to make sure it's just the size you want. Quality Guarantee by Dasein, we take quality seriously. You won't get bags that fall apart within weeks or signs of less than perfect craftsmanship that are common for handbags in this price range. Don't be fooled by its chic, compact look. The highly organized and spacious interior will fit your wallet, iPad, phone, keys, sunglasses, makeup, and more. We take extra care to eliminate chemical odors that are commonly found with faux leather bags. If you still detect a smell, unzip the bag and leave it in a ventilated environment for a couple of days. About Dasein. Dasein is a German word from existentialist philosophy meaning, roughly, the being or being there. When we created Dasein, we wanted our bags to spotlight the person behind the fashion accessory, rather than the brand itself. We believe in creating fashion that matches individual expression, rather than a means to sell expensive designer logos. Today's handbag market is dominated by a handful of outrageously expensive designer brands. We're the brand for true bag lovers who just adore a particular handbag style rather than the logo out front. We're for those of you who still love designer bags for their gorgeous, luxurious styles, but hate the designer price tag. With everything under $50, we make the latest handbag styles of the season extremely affordable. So go ahead and pick up that gorgeous looking bag you've always wanted, at an unbelievably bargain price. Classic design, this medium-sized structured satchel handbag is detailed with a cute Dasein decorative padlock tassel. The shoulder strap is adjustable and detachable, can fit most statures. It's a great sized handbags and purses for women. You can't go wrong with it. 100% vegan leather, high quality pebble PU vegan leather, the same textures with the genuine leather. Wear resistant, waterproof, soft and 100% no chemical smells. Very sturdy and stylish. You can use it as a women handbag, shoulder bag, work tote bag, satchel purse, leather briefcase, etc. Spacious for everything. Bag size 13.5W×11H×55D. Handle drop length 5.75. Shoulder strap length end to end 48, adjustable and detachable. Wristlet size 93W×6H×02D, fits in most smartphones, including iPhone 7 Plus. Gold tone hardware, rings. Top magnetic snap closure. 2 compartments, fully lined fabric interior. 1 interior back wall pocket. /2 compartments with center zipped pouch divider. Can make your stuff well organized. It's a great medium-sized satchel work purses for women. Nice wrapped with 1 dust bag and 1 box. Well, protect the package from damage while shipping. Great gift idea for your friends, wife, parents, or yourself. 100% no risk money back guarantee and satisfaction experience commitment. For more information, click the link below.